Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Kelly, and as you can see, if you've been keeping up with my videos and if you saw my videos from last week, I lost my voice. I got sick after the Texas winter storm. My voice has still left me. I'm with this scratchy voice, but I'm feeling better. I just have some congestion I'm working through, but that's not why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video because I am going to share with you 3 looks using one palette. This is the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette in collaboration with Angelica Nyqvist. This is my second video with this palette right here. I will link my first video where I created 2 looks right up here in the cards in case you want to check that out. I created 2 very bold, very different looks. One very purple eye, one very green eye. I got tons of compliments on those 2 looks, but I did want to come back. I wanted to revisit this palette, and I did want to do a 3-in-1 tutorial where a couple of the looks were more toned down because those looks were very, very bold, and I am a neutral lover. I am known for my neutral eyeshadows, so I wanted to share maybe some more wearable looks for the neutral lover. Now, one of the looks is very bright, very bold. I wanted to use this shade Astro right here, but the other 2 looks I toned down. I have this purple look here, and then I went into the bottom row to create another neutral look for you. Now, typically with my tutorials, my 3-in-1 tutorials, oftentimes I will talk you through what I'm doing, but with this raspy voice here, I thought it would be better just to kind of film the looks, throw some music behind it. I thought perhaps I could do a voiceover and still talk you through it, but my voice is still raspy. So we're gonna throw some music over it. I will have some pictures showing you what shades I'm using and going into with this palette. But if you wanna hear more of my thoughts, if you wanna see some more looks, check out my original video. If you do enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed before you go because I do have some other fun videos coming up here. But this palette, just in case you didn't get your hands on it, it will be restocking in May. So make sure you are following Kaleidos on Instagram. Make sure you're following Angie on Instagram. I'm sure they will update you with some more restock information. But if you did miss out on the first 2 launches, it will be restocked. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, why don't we go ahead and jump into the video.